90% the licenses that have already been acquired, the ones that you have to deal with, they will be bought through so-called volume licensing agreements. Enterprise agreement, if you ever heard that name, MPSA, Open, these are all volume licensing agreements. Other licenses come with computers. So you buy a laptop, Windows 10 is pre-installed there already, or you bought it many years ago and there was Windows 7, Windows XP, it was pre-installed on the computer. Sometimes there are appliances that may have Windows Server pre-installed, which is attached to that computer. So these licenses come with computers. They have different licensing terms. What you buy with computers is called OEM, original equipment manufacturer, because manufacturer installed it on the computer. There's another channel which is often forgotten about. Microsoft SQL Server is often bundled with something else, accounting software. Your accountants use some third-party software to manage your payroll. It's a payroll application. It may include SQL Server with it, and it also has different licensing rules. It's called ISV Royalty, ISV Bundle. ISV stands for Independent Software Vendor. There's a third party, independent from Microsoft, that supplied you Microsoft license with their software. That's perfectly legal, as long as they provide you all the papers with it. Another one is you buy something from the service providers. So CSP are licenses. You actually get licenses. So CSP agreement usually provides you with licenses. CSP stands for Cloud Solution Program. This is the new world where Microsoft is moving. SPLY is a mixture of things, which stands for Service Provider Licensing Agreement. You just pay for a service and they rent you out certain Microsoft software or virtual machines. Amazon AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud are very good examples of SPLY providers. When you rent a Microsoft Windows Server in all these platforms or any other third-party providers, and you just pay service fee, monthly fee for it, part of that fee is your SPLY license. Online from Microsoft, that's how I bought some of my Microsoft licenses. I just went online to the Microsoft website and paid with my credit card, a corporate credit card, but I bought it online. And the last way, which is not recommended, you can actually buy some Microsoft software from a store off the shelf. If you're a company, it creates lots of headaches. You will have them to keep all the collaterals. Go with CSP, volume licensing OEM. The way how you acquire the license defines the terms of the license, defines what you can do. Good example would be downgrade rights. Volume licensing gives you downgrade rights to any version, as long as you have a valid volume license. OEM and retail, you need to check. There may not be downgrade right. ISV, probably no downgrade rights. So what you bought with the third-party software, if they sold you SQL Server 2017, you may not install SQL Server 2016 under that license.